This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete Haynes online manual at haynes.com.
Air filter housing. Pull the bonnet release lever located in the passenger's footwell. Lift the bonnet slightly. Pull the safety catch forwards. Raise the bonnet and release the bonnet prop from its clip. Engage the bonnet prop to support the bonnet. Disconnect the mass airflow sensor wiring plug, then unclip the wiring loom. Disconnect the vacuum hose from the side of the air outlet. Slacken the clamp and disconnect the air outlet hose. Release the pipe retaining clip from the bracket and unclip the rubber strap. Pull the housing upwards from the rubber mountings and manoeuvre it from place. Position the housing over the rubber mountings and press it down firmly into place. Ensure no wiring or hoses are trapped beneath the housing. With the housing correctly fitted, secure the air intake hose with the rubber strap. Clip the pipe to the bracket and reconnect the sensor wiring plug. Slide the hose over the air outlet and tighten the retaining clamp securely. Remove the prop from the bonnet, then clip the prop into the storage bracket and close the bonnet.